The kitchen is often considered the heart of your home, so keep your kitchen organized with these simple hacks to help you make the most of this space. A spice drawer organizer is a great way to keep your kitchen organized and make it easier to find the spices you need while cooking. Decide which drawer you'd like to use to organize your spices. Measure the length, width, and depth of the drawer. Then measure the length of each spice jar to ensure the containers will fit inside the drawer. Use a table saw to cut the plywood boards to size, matching the length of the pieces to the width of the drawer. Use wider, thinner plywoods for the racks. We use 1/4 by 4-inch boards, and thicker pieces for the risers. We used 1 by 2-inch boards. Make sure the risers are 1/2 inch less than the depth of your drawer. Add wood glue to the bottom edge of a riser board and attach it to a rack board at a 90-degree angle. Drive nails into the board to stick them together. You can also use a stapler gun to do this. Repeat these steps to create enough spice racks to fill the drawer. For a more finished look, gently sand and paint each section of the spice drawer organizer. Once dry, place the risers in a drawer to create angled rows. Now fill the organizer with spice jars. You can bring nature into your home with plants, wooden furniture, and beautiful shells as art pieces. Another way to add nature is by creating your own rock magnets on the fridge. You can choose rocks with unique shapes or colors and make interesting but functional decor. To make a decorative stone magnet, the first step is to find a stone with a flat surface that can serve as the base of the magnet. You can go for a walk outdoors and look for a stone, or you can purchase a stone set from Kooyman. Once you have your stone, the next step is to sand the flat surface to make it smooth and even. You can use sandpaper for this, starting with a rough grit and gradually moving to a finer grit until the surface is completely smooth. After sanding, be sure to wipe the surface clean to remove any dust or debris. Mix the epoxy and then dip the magnet into the epoxy, making sure that it is fully coated. Once the magnet is one side coated with epoxy, place it in the center of the stone's flat surface, pressing it down firmly. Make sure the magnet is centered and aligned properly so that it will stick to metal surfaces. Let the magnets dry for 4 to 6 hours. Once the epoxy is completely dry, you can attach your stone magnet to your refrigerator. Enjoy your new creation. To organize your kitchen space, it can be efficient to hang your kitchen roll holder. It also gives you easy access to the paper towel whenever you need it. Use the holder on a shelf at a place you can easily reach. Assemble the holder and place the kitchen roll. This organizer will transform your messy drawers into neat, organized spaces in no time. It features a unique and versatile design that allows you to create custom configurations to fit any drawer size or shape. To use this organizer, simply configure the pegs in a desired arrangement to fit your items, organize your items in the designated spaces created by the pegs, and enjoy an organized drawer. Food wrap storage is a useful way to organize your kitchen and make it easier to access and use your food wraps. Start by measuring the width of the food wrap. This will help you determine the length of the dowel rod needed. Keep 2-inch extra space to every side on the end of the food wrap. Using a saw, cut the dowel rod to size. Next, install the hooks on the position. Make sure the hooks are positioned in a way that allows the dowel rod to fit between them. Make sure the hooks are mounted level. Your do-it-yourself kitchen roll holder is now ready to use. Simply slide a roll of kitchen foil onto the dowel rod and tear off sheets as needed. We hope you've found these organization tips useful for improving your kitchen. All the tools and materials used in this video can be found at Kooyman.